Imagine a world where your commute is not just a routine, but an exhilarating experience. That's the promise of hoverboards, the self-balancing marvels that have taken the sidewalks by storm. We're about to showcase the creme de la creme of hoverboards that blend style, speed, and cutting-edge technology. So are you ready to meet the game changers of personal transportation? Let's start the ride. Number 9. Swagtron Swagboard T6 Hoverboard. Before you set your sights on a top-of-the-line model, let's take a closer look at Swagtron's T6. This hoverboard is a favorite in roundups for good reason. With its rugged, treaded, air-filled 10-inch tires, it promises a smooth journey whether you're cruising through a parking lot or exploring a trail. Covering up to 12 miles on a single charge, it offers the freedom to roam almost anywhere you please, all while ensuring safety with its UL compliance. Powered by 300-watt dual motors, the T6 effortlessly tackles any terrain and gradient, handling inclines of up to 30 degrees without breaking a sweat. From grassy parks to gravel trails, it's up for the challenge. Plus, boasting a hefty weight capacity of 420 pounds, it's built to accommodate riders of all sizes. And for an added touch of fun, you can groove to your favorite tunes through its integrated Bluetooth speaker. Number 8. GotraxGlidePro. Next up is the GotraxGlidePro, earning its spot on our list for its impressive performance, versatility, value, and ride comfort. With powerful 350W dual motors, it zooms to a top speed of 9.9 miles per hour, the fastest among its peers, while maintaining stability. Battery life is another standout feature, with its 144 Wow UL certified battery offering 6.4 miles of use, ranking among the best in our tests. Supporting up to 265 pounds, it caters to riders of various sizes, thanks to its sturdy and durable frame that instills confidence across diverse terrains. A personal favorite feature of the GotraxGlidePro is its built-in Bluetooth speakers. While not audiophile grade, they deliver surprisingly loud and clear sound, adding a musical touch to your ride. Number 7. GotraxGlidePro Hoverboard. If you're on a budget, finding a hoverboard with a rating greater than 4 stars might seem like a stretch. However, the GotraxGlide defies expectations as an affordable, highly rated option, perfect for teens and kids. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's ideal for young riders, with a top speed that's safe yet enjoyable. With a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds, it even accommodates some adults. While it may not deliver top-tier performance, it serves as a fantastic entry point into the world of hoverboards without breaking the bank. Plus, it boasts convenient features such as LED lights around the wheels, as well as headlights and taillights for safe nighttime riding. Number 6. HaloRoverX. If you want a hoverboard that pushes boundaries, the HaloRoverX is your ultimate choice. With nearly 7 miles of real-world range per charge, it unlocks longer rides and broader explorations. Boasting 800W of motor power and a verified top speed of 9.8 miles per hour, the HaloRoverX conquers hills effortlessly. Its rugged 8.5 inches tires and robust frame ensure smooth rides over any terrain, from grass to pavement. Supporting riders up to 260 pounds, it caters to nearly everyone. Safety is paramount with the RoverX, featuring certified batteries and advanced balancing technology. It's user-friendly, even for beginners, minimizing the risk of tipping over. But the excitement doesn't end there. Switch between beginner, normal, and advanced riding modes for added thrills. The accompanying mobile app tracks speed, battery life, and distance, and offers remote control functionality. Plus, enjoy music via Halo Bluetooth speakers and add flair with LED lights. Number 5. Razor HoverTrax 2.0 Hoverboard. With big, grippy tires and anti-slip rubber foot platforms, this hoverboard ensures your tween feels confident and comfortable on the road. Fender bumpers and wide foot space add to the sense of security, while the self-balancing feature enables smooth stops after pulling off impressive tricks like a 360-degree spin. Equipped with front multicolor LED lights, the excitement stays high, and 2 riding modes, training and normal, cater to different skill levels. Despite a 40-minute battery life, the LED battery life monitor keeps you informed, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Number 4. Segway 9Bot S Electric Transporter. When most hoverboards look like toys, the Segway 9Bot S Electric Transporter stands out as a grown-up choice. Its design, featuring a central steering column, appeals to adults for commuting or running quick errands. Notably, Mast favors this hoverboard for its reliability and easy learning curve. The unique steering mechanism sets it apart, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. Turning involves squeezing legs together and applying pressure to one side, offering a more intuitive experience, especially for new riders. With large 10.5-inch pneumatic tires, it glides smoothly over potholes. Ideal for commuters, it covers up to 13 miles on a single charge. For longer journeys, consider the S Plus model, boasting an impressive 22-mile range. Number 3. OnewheelGTBoard. If you're seeking the ultimate recreational riding experience, the GT is your go-to choice. Onewheel revolutionized hoverboards with its singular wheel design back in 2014. And now, with the GT, they continue to redefine the limits of one-wheel technology. Capable of reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour and traveling an impressive 32 miles on a single charge, it outperforms any other hoverboard on the market. Riding the GT feels more akin to snowboarding than skateboarding. With one foot on either side of the central wheel, you lean to accelerate, slow down, and turn. Featuring concave foot pads with grip tape, it ensures stability as you ride, along with adjustable 500 lumen headlights for safe nighttime travels. While the price may deter some, the GT is perfect for those passionate about the sport and seeking regular rides. Number 2. CCGAD Hoverboard. This one is for some fancy dude's delight. The CCGAD Hoverboard is a child's fantasy turned reality, boasting a built-in Bluetooth speaker and LED lights adorning the hubs, platform, and wheel covers. Though technically supporting up to 260 pounds, its smaller 6.5-inch wheels and beginner-friendly mode cater perfectly to young adults, offering a hoverboard experience without the daunting learning curve, plus ample room for growth. Adding to the fun, it comes in a variety of vibrant color options like purple, red, and sea green. CCGAD even offers a chrome series, ensuring you can ride in style and stand out from the crowd. Whether you're shopping for a young rider or simply looking to spice up your own adventures, this playful hoverboard is sure to turn heads at parties or festivals. Number 1. Hover One Titan. If there was a luxury sedan among hoverboards, it would undoubtedly be the Hover One Titan, a smooth-sailing, bump-absorbing dream. Featuring 10-inch pneumatic tires, it effortlessly glides over bumps and cracks that would unsettle other hoverboards. Whether on smooth surfaces or uneven terrain, you feel confident and comfortable riding the Hover One Titan. It handles grass or dirt almost as smoothly as pavement, providing a consistently comfortable experience. With a verified speed of 7.8 miles per hour and a range of 6.4 miles, the Titan is perfect for leisurely rides, whether exploring a college campus or strolling through the local park. While it may not be the fastest hoverboard, it ensures a comfortable journey from point A to point B. That's a wrap on our hoverboard highlights. If you're craving more tech insights, zip on over to TechBite and hit subscribe for your regular dose of the latest and greatest. Until next time, keep riding the wave of innovation with us.